Rearrange and solve for the unknown. Suppose a wild equation came from the grasslands and it was defined as being sine of, let's say, 40 degrees, and it was equal to x over 20. What we want to do is we want to rearrange this in terms of x, and then we want to solve it to find the unknown. Now, we've seen this before. Does anyone remember what do we do if we have x on the right and it's above a number? Zoe? Yeah, we times it by the denominator. So the denominator is 20 here, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 20. This has the effect of causing the 20 to go in front of the sine. So it's 20 sine 40 degrees, then x. Then we do the switcheroo. So the left-hand side becomes the right-hand side, and the right-hand side becomes the left-hand side. So x goes left, 20 sine 40 degrees goes to the right. And hence, because we have a single expression on the right, we are able to reach for our calculators. It's our first time reaching for them this lesson, so we press that reset button and then type in the equation, type in the expression on the right and evaluate. What do we end up getting, Audrey?
I just wrote it. 12.8.
Okay, Audrey puts forward a conjecture of 12.8. We need 2 more people to confirm. Posey?
Yeah, it's 12.8.
Yep, and Brody?
12.8.
12.8. So we are not certain, however, we are fairly sure that the answer for x is 12.8. So, when we have an unknown, we look for who it's hanging out with and then we rearrange. In this case, it's over 20, so we multiply by 20. Yes, Izzy?
We already done that.
We did already do that, didn't we?
I've already got this in my book.
We've already got that in the book, don't we? Now let's put something you don't have in the book in there.
Great.
It brings joy to my heart to know that you've identified that we've already got this.
Great. Great.
How awesome.
So did you forget us what you taught us last lesson?
No, I didn't do that this time. But I have done that before, yes.
Flip them around.
Flip them around. Okay, guys, here's something novel to us. Eyes and ears. We are posed with what seems to be the same question again. Did I forget?
No.
Or am I showing you something novel?
You said wrong.
We have tan 35 degrees equals 10 over y. Now, once again, our unknown is on the right-hand side. However, it's slightly different. I see it's on the right and I say, let's use the same method we tried to do before. We identify the denominator and we we multiply by the denominator. Our denominator is y, so I'll multiply both sides by y. And then I continue through. 10 is left on the right, y is left on the left with tan 35. What on earth? It's not working. I've made it worse. On the left we have y tan 35 equals 10 on the right. What should we do to make this work out? Move tan. How are we going to move tan, Zoe? What does it mean when you've got y tan?
Just get rid of it.
It means times. If we're timesing our unknown by something, how do we get rid of that thing we're timesing it by? Divide. Mr. Capewell, what should I write below here? Divide by what?
10.
Tan 35 degrees. So tan 35 degrees can be treated like it's a coefficient. Because it is.
Is it?
It is. So we get y on the left. We're going to get a fraction. 10 over tan 35 degrees. Now the next question is, we only have numbers on our right, we've got an unknown on our left. How do we even get what's on our right into the calculator? Well, remember, this over here is the same as saying 10 divided by 10 35 degrees. So type what we have in green into the calculator. If you have a Casio calculator, you can put the blue in directly. If you have a sharp one, you do what's in green. Brody, you're on fire.
14.2.
14.2.
Wrong.
0.3.
I got 14.2.
Can we agree that it's 14?
14.2.
Yeah.
14.2 what?
8.
14.28?
14.28148,007.
14.281. Now,
Just round it to 3 already.
see how this is 8? Because it's above or equal to 5. Basically, it's above 4. This goes up.
14.291.
Super. Can we see what's happened, guys?
What's I need to
One decimal place.
up and down.
Okay. What you see is, on the left here, this is when your unknown appears in the numerator when you build your algebraic expression. What you're going to discover in this lesson and the next lesson is your unknown is going to appear in the denominator. This is the second level of complexity when it comes to trig. Alright, do we want one more, guys? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Let's go for it. C.
Yeah, you better count your days.
Harry,
Harry.
did you know? That's because you were. He told me. I will.
Okay, we have cos 15 degrees equals 3 over x plus 1. I'm going to give you a hint. There's implied brackets on the x plus 1. Treat x plus 1 like it's a singular variable till the very end. I give you 10 seconds to get a head start, then ready or not, it'll be here I come.
Here you come.
Ready or not? Yep.
After we do this.
Yeah, if you do it. Yep. Have a go at it. I don't mind if you make a mistake. Izzy,
Yeah.
have you finished it?
No.
After you finish it.
It's an emergency. She needs to go now.
Everyone's going to have a go. Some people will get it right. Some people will get close. Harry, turn around. Keep going. Then find yourself.
Wait, so do we times the day?
We multiply everything by x plus 1 in the bracket.
So underneath our right x.
Times. And there'll be a times here.
And it'll be the x plus 1.
Excellent. You are becoming knowledgeable. 3 is left over on the right. X plus 1 is left over on the left. Then we have a cos 15. Why is there still a cos 15 here?
Just cause.
Just cos. You are the only one with a quality sense of humor in here, Daytona.
I'm pretty sure I do if I scared you. I'm gonna remember that.
Okay, I reckon it's 2.8.
Actually, 3.1.
Okay, so we divide by cos 15. Why did we divide by cos 15, Harry?
Because why not?
Just cos. So we get something that looks like this. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. If you want, you can put this in your calculator here, and then you can subtract a 1, or you can do it all in one big go. I prefer doing it all in one big go, because I only reached my calculator once in a question.
I'm done.
Where were you?
Does anyone have an answer? Brody?
3.1.
3.1? 2.1?
I got 2.1.
I got
2.1.
2.8.
Oh, as you. You're the old.
Did you subtract the 1 yet, Brody?
No.
Yeah. So you're here, take the 1 away, and what do we get?
2.1.
2.1,
2.1.
2.1.
2.1.
Zoe?
3.1.
Miss-
Close, close.
Boom! We are mathing.